This is super chilled Neptune. The temperature never gets above 300 degrees below zero.
Neptune is one of these giant planets. It's much larger than the Earth and has a very thick atmosphere. It's about 2 billion miles out from the sun. So you really might expect, since it's that far from the sun, it would be very cold and not have very much weather. But in fact, Neptune is very dynamic. It's got tremendous weather patterns.
Despite its incredible distance from Earth, astronomers can get close to Neptune's turbulent atmosphere with a little help from this. The Keck Observatory, 14,000 feet up on the summit of Mauna Kea in Hawaii. It sits above Earth's clouds and pollution. The telescopes are so powerful, they could see a candle on the moon. Neptune at first appears featureless, but a closer look reveals white, high-altitude clouds in the upper atmosphere. It's a perfect opportunity to track wind speed. Measuring the time and distance that clouds take between 2 points allows scientists to clock their speed. The Keck telescope swings towards Neptune. A series of shots track the white clouds as they move around the planet.
So here we can take several photographs that show the positions of clouds apparently changing. You can measure the position at one moment to be there, and at another time, a few hours later, to be in a different place. Now, most of that change in position is due to the rotation of the planet as a whole. However, if you know the rotation rate and subtract that out, that gives you the motion of the clouds relative to the planet. That tells you the wind speed.
The results are shocking.
We're seeing wind speeds on Neptune of many hundreds of miles per hour, up to 12 or even 1,260 miles per hour for the very fastest clouds. That's really phenomenal.
Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system.
So what's driving this? You need energy to make weather. Where's that energy coming from? And it turns out it's coming from Neptune itself. It does receive sunlight, but Neptune actually radiates away more energy, a lot more energy than it gets from the sun, which means the interior is very hot. Probably it means there's radioactive material in there, there's leftover heat from when Neptune formed 4.5 billion years ago that's very slowly leaking out. And it's that that's heating up the air and driving all of the circulation and all of this crazy weather that Neptune has.
Neptune's storms hit hard.